The Expedition Ready Kit is the ultimate mobile power system for van life adventurers who seek extended trips or enjoy living permanently on the road. Be confident you have power for all the comforts of home no matter where you go. Live and work from anywhere with the ability to stay connected with Starlink, power fridges and lights, or even a microwave and induction cooktop. Take the guesswork out of choosing the right gear for your van. With reliable power management, your remote travel will be stress-free, providing more time for adventuring on your own or with family and friends. Monitor your battery status through the display or REDVISION app thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to focus on more important things like relaxing. The Manager Alpha charges from 3 different sources: your vehicle, solar and shore power. And thanks to Green Power Priority, maximise the van's roof space to harness the sun's energy, both while driving and while stationary. With this kit, we recommend 4 of our 180 watt solar panels to stay charged anywhere you go. Big power demands require a big battery bank, so we recommend installing 300 to 600 amp hours of lithium batteries. With REDARC, you'll have everything you need to take your life on the road with the freedom to roam the country. Enjoy the ultimate van life with the Expedition Ready Kit. To learn more, jump on the website or visit one of our outfitter partners to see if the Expedition Ready Kit is the right power setup for your van.